In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for companies on LinkedIn. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage or the newsfeed. You want to go up to the search bar on the left hand side, and let's say for example you're looking for marketing companies. Type in the word and press enter, and then you will see various filters displayed at the top, and what you want to do is select companies. It will then list companies that have got marketing in their name, and what you can do is you can then go to that company page, and if you're looking to contact or connect with someone specifically, just hover over here where it says employees. By clicking on that, you will then see a list of people who are listed as employees of this company, and you can then either connect with them or you can message them if they are already a connection of yours. If you're searching for a company and you know their specific name, you can type in the name, for example, Business Coaching Hub, and press enter, and it will actually then show you if the company has a page on LinkedIn. It will show it to you. You can then go view the page and do the research that you need to do or connect to the people that you need to connect with. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.